I'm going to tell. So this is first class. So first thing you have to concentrate. Whatever today I will teach, you have to do practice on that, because if you will think that this is very simple and tomorrow you think okay I will do practice tomorrow, so it little things you will miss, and slowly you will miss many things. Okay, so whatever I am giving today you have to understand, and if anyone have any doubt please let me know. Okay, सो ये पहला क्लास है कैसे, मतलब एक हाउ टू राइट दिस टेस्ट क्लास और हाउ टू राइट ए जावा क्लास. सो मैं पहला एक क्लास बनाने जा रहा हूँ. सबके पास इंटेलिजे और जेडीके है. सो पहला फर्स्ट क्लास कैसे राइट करना, ये क्लास को सबको प्रैक्टिस करना होगा. तो मैं अभी लिख रहा हूँ. सबसे पहले यू हैव टू गो दिस फाइल, after that you have to go this new. Okay, in this new you will see this java class, so you have to click the java class, and now there will be, this is the first class. So just I will write test. You can write any name for this test class name. So I'm just writing this test, or practice I can write. I will write practice, pratice practice first. So this is practice first class. So when you will click, then like that, this practice class will generate. Okay, so this practice class will generate, and I will tell you what is the meaning of everything, but just whatever I'm doing, just you write. If you have any doubt, just you can write. I'm just writing one notepad. In starting I will go very slowly, because I don't want that anyone will miss anything. Okay, so I'm just writing also. Wow, first step, what you have to go in IntelliJ. In IntelliJ, your first thing is like you have to go this file. In file, you have to see that you have to go new, and in new you have to go class, and then enter. So your class will generate. Just ये करना है, class new and then java class, and you can write any name, and then just you have to create this class. So your your class will creating. Okay, now I am just writing one method, public public static void main string aux System.out.println hello. This is hello program. First class is this hello program. The you have to write this one. So just I am writing also. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. So this is the class. This is the structure of a java class. Okay, this is the structure of a java class. So in this in this there is a class, and this is the class name. This is a class name, and then this is a method. This is called as a method, and here in this method I am writing that system.out.println hello. Okay, so just I am running this one. How to run this one? Just go to class and click right click, and then run practice main.java, practice main dot. Now you will get the result hello. Everyone I got it. So
Okay.
this is first class. uh, so this first class you have to understand, and you have to practice. You have to write 4 to 5 class with different name, and you need to run, and then while running you will get the result, like whatever you will write inside the system.out.println you will get the result. Okay, so this is very hello program. uh, now I'm going to tell you some detailing about this. So what is detailing, like this is first line by line I'm going. Just you listen and you will understand little bit, and but later I will explain more, but I'm just going to explain little bit. What is this package? Package means uh, this in first line you are saying this full line. So here it first is the package, it is a keyword. What is this package? Package is like this Java class is creating in some place. This is the place. Place means this is the location. Why it is giving this location, like you can see this com.java.techie.jpa. So inside this it is creating, because of that it is showing this address com.javatechie.jpa. Okay, so if I will give one more mm, I am just going to make one more class, then you will understand better. Practice 2, PRATICE 2, Java class, add. Now, so this you can see this practice 2. There is no package it is given. Why? Because it is outside of this address. It is just I have created that this practice.java outside of this address, so there is no package, but here there is package. So what is the meaning of this package? Package is like this is the location. Location means what? It is inside the java com.java.techie.jpa. Because of that, when suppose if I will do hide it, then java com.java.techie.jp, inside this java class is there. Because of that, this is package. So package is a keyword, like it is a location. After that, now this is a public, like this is a modifier. This is a modifier is many types. Here it is a public means, in public means, if you will just if you will consider, like public means, in normal word also, if you will think, public is a, like a public which is accessible from everyone. So for that reason it is written public means it is a modifier. So modifier is many types, like public, private, protected, default. I will explain it later, but just you need to know this is a modifier. So this is a modifier. Now this is static keyword. So there are two types. One is static, there non-static. Method can be two types. One is static and non-static. I will explain later what is meaning of static, what is meaning of non-static. And this is a return type. Void is a return type. So there are many types of return type, like string return type, int return type, object return type, and void means if you will take the meaning of this void means there is no meaning. Void का मतलब होता है इसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है, तो वो void है. So this is the return type. And then main is the name of method. Main is the name of method. Okay, so I will explain everything later also, but just I am explaining what is the meaning of every word. And then this is the argument. This is the argument. So this argument is the string type. This is string type argument. So whatever things will available inside this bracket, it will call as a argument. So this is string argument, but this is called array. So string array argument it is. Okay, it is a array type string. Okay, then now this is system.out.println. So whatever we need to print, so we need to write this system.out.println. So here here also, like, just you remember, like whenever you have to print anything, you need to write system.out.println. I will explain later what is the meaning of this system.out.println. Like system is also a class, and then inside that this static method, then static variable, and then inside that variable there are this method println method is there. So internally java is take care of this. So system.out.println. So if whatever we have to print, we need to write like this. Okay, got it.